So this is Hallam Street and Dovercourt. Okay, here we go. Alright, we're back inside Mel's Bakery on Dovercourt Road in Hallam, Dovercourt Village. Ordered their veggie sandwich. So there's sauteed mushrooms, onions, and sweet pepper. And I added cheese and hot peppers. Let's give it a try. Something's pickled. Nice. Nice change. Kind of. Another way of getting my vegetable intake. Now, hot peppers is not too hot, just adds a little bit of a kick, but there's a pickle flavor in here. I'm gonna have to ask what it is. It's nice. The bun is very fresh. They made it here. I'm gonna have to do my own vegetable sandwich at home. Cheap and cheerful. This sandwich is $7.45. The extras, like the cheese, is $1, and then the hot peppers is 80 cents. Take your bite. It's so good. Or like sauteed vegetables. That's all you need. Mel's Bakery on Dovercourt Road and Hallam in Dovercourt Village. Come check them out. Support local businesses. This is a Portuguese bakery. I love this type of thing in the neighborhoods. In the city of Toronto, we have all these corner stores, and this is classic. Take care, bye. Looks good. Like if I wasn't walking, I wouldn't have known about this, you know. And it's great. I love. This is what we need more of. It's good. This outtake clip is from the first time I walked up Dovercourt Road, exploring Dovercourt Village. Street and Dovercourt, massive deli. They're not open now. And the custom tailors, Frank's custom tailors, pharmacy. Mel's Bakery and Coffee Shop. Let's go check them out. Please check out the first food review for Mel's Bakery.